What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Miguel and thank you so much for stopping by to check out this video. Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of this Kershaw Leek right here. Just got it in the box and I'm very excited because this is the very first design in the knife world, right? When I started getting into knives, this is the very first design that I fell in love with, right? So I'm gonna be opening the box, just doing a quick unboxing. It's gonna be a very short video, just showing you guys what the unboxing looks like. This one is actually not sealed as much, so you can easily open it from one end and boom, just like that, guys. There is the knife, the Kershaw Leek. We're gonna look at that in a second. This is not a review, by the way. This is just a quick unboxing. You have some nice important information there, instructions, warranty, stuff like that in the box as well. And that's pretty much about it, right? This is about a $45 to $50 knife. Make sure to check the links in the description, guys. There will be some affiliate links on the description. If you use those links, I may receive a percentage of compensation. It does not affect your price, so it will help out the channel tremendously if you use those links, but again, you're not obligated to do so. It is totally up to you. That being said, let's take a quick look here at the Kershaw Leek, right? Very slim. This is the model 1660, right? The camera sometimes struggles a little bit to focus, but there it is, right? I'm gonna hold it here closer to the camera for a little bit so you can see the, the clip end. It does come by default with not a very deep pocket clip, right? This much of the knife from here on up is going to be showing. It does carry top down or tip down versus tip up, right? And with the Kershaw logo right there, this finish here in the all stainless steel, right, looks pretty nice. Here's the other side with the Kershaw logo on there, made in the USA, or speed safe. This is a speed assisted knife, right? And without further ado, boom, let's go ahead and open it and take a look at it here with you guys. I will tell you, I will be in full transparency. I did take the knife out a few days ago when I got it, and I did use it a little bit. That is why you guys see some markings on the blade. That is typical on this knife. By the way, I'm going to be using this knife for the next week or two so I can gather some information, some impressions, gather some experience with it. That way I can give you guys a very comprehensive review. So look forward to that video in the channel coming soon. Subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to hit the like button. But here it is, guys. It is a frame lock, right? So that means that the frame itself is going to be holding the knife while it's locked in place. In order to release, we're going to move this frame piece over to the left, and then we're going to go ahead and move the knife back in. Now I'm doing it with two hands because I'm trying to show you guys. Probably thinking, oh, look at this newbie, right? He can't do it with the one hand, but it is very easy to do it with one hand. Keep in mind, this is speed assist. So if you open to about this much right here, right? This much, I'm doing it very slowly. Boom, at some point it's gonna fire open right away and at speed, right? So you wanna keep that in mind. Right, so it is a flipper, right? Got the flipper opening in the back. These are going to be studs. They are not, I mean, I struggle a little bit, but you can use it to open it with the thumb studs, right? It's definitely gonna beat up your thumb for sure because it requires so much pressure. It is so sharp right there just to open it with the thumb studs, but you can, right? It also functions as a way to stop the blade when it reaches the back here, right? So it stops it right there in place, right? Boom, just like that. Over on this side, again, not going too much in detail. We're gonna get weights and measurements and things like that. Should be a 3-inch blade here. This is a patented Ken Onion design. This is a classic. This knife has been around for a long time. It actually comes with a blade lock right here, which I removed. Over the last couple of days I've been carrying it. I did find it to get in the way. We'll put it back on where I do the full review, just to show you guys kind of how that works. You basically slide it forward to lock the blade in place, slide it back if you want the blade to be unlocked. But other than that, again, speed open assist, right? That means that at some point, as you're opening it, it's gonna catch and then swing it open all the way. See, boom, right there. So other than that, I mean, it's very nice. We're gonna go over the measurements for all the you know, everything around, you know, it looks like T8 and T6. We'll confirm that during the review, right? I like this right here, this drop point. I guess you could say it's kind of like a warm cliff drop point, you know, in a way, a combination of the two. What I fell in love with was this straight blade down here, right? This right here for me was what was very, very attractive when I first looked at this design. And again, I got into knives not that long ago, so I started looking at designs and what are the best budget designs and knives to get as your first knife. This right here was not only a first knife, a great knife for me, but I'm sure it's gonna be a great knife for friends or relatives or co-workers, anybody who you're trying to get into knives, and you're gonna see why during the review. I mean, so far I am so happy with this purchase. The last couple of days that I've been using it, it has been spot on, right? And I'm very, very happy with it, right? So again, this is a Kershaw Leek, specifically the 1660, right? The OG one with the OG materials. This knife comes in so many different combinations, you know, carbon fiber, Damascus. I mean, you can go crazy higher up on the scale with this thing. I mean, the design is still the same, the function's still the same, right? But definitely you can get it in much better materials the higher the price range. But yeah, just a quick nice unboxing. Again, not much on the box aside from some instructions, right? The knife itself, and again guys, make sure to check out the link below. There'll be an affiliate link there if you want to check it out for yourself, again around the $45-50 range. Look out for the full review video in the channel. It is coming up here very soon over the next couple of days. Oh, by the way, I want to share with you guys this quick nice little poster pad here from Knives. I got this one off Amazon as well recently, so if you want to learn about knives, again, links for all these items will be in the description. But if you really want to get into it, geek out about knives, I feel like this one is a good addition. So you can learn about all different sort of blade shapes, right? You can learn about all the different you know, anatomy of the blades, everything to know, all the different pieces, right, that makes up your knife, along with some great tips of maintenance, screws, blade angles. I mean, this poster is super useful, so I'm glad I have it. You're gonna be seeing it in videos, you know, in the corner somewhere, right? Because I'm also learning along the way, right? It's only been a couple of months since I've been in the knife community, so I am only learning more and more every day, and I hope that I can share that. Hope that I can share that journey with you guys. So if you liked the video up until this point, if you're excited about what's coming, right? If you probably started your collection recently, just like I did, guys, go ahead and make sure to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, right? And then look forward to the next videos dropping here very soon. Love you guys. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Peace.